Welcome back, traders. In this video, we are focusing on the H4 trading strategy. Okay, it is one of the most reliable ways to approach the Forex market with structure and discipline. Okay, now the H4 or the 4-hour chart is a time frame that many experienced traders prefer because it balances patience with opportunity. Okay, now unlike the 1-hour chart or the lower charts, right, which can be noisy and fast moving, the H4 time frame filters out unnecessary distractions. Okay, and at the same time it still provides enough setups throughout the week to keep your trading active. So let us quickly start with market structure. Okay, on the H4 chart, trends are easier to identify. You'll often see well-defined highs, you know, and lows, right? So you'll see your higher highs, right? Well-defined higher highs, okay? And higher lows, of course, for an upward trend, okay? So here we go. Pretty easy, right? Then for a downward trend, of course, if the trend is really trending downwards or if the trend is really bearish, you're going to see lower highs and lower lows. Here again, we had a bullish trend, right? Well, here you can see we had a bearish trend. You can see our lower highs and lower lows. Okay, let's use this instead. Right, it seems like the bearish momentum was pretty strong around here. This impulsive move was a strong one, right? Before we had a pullback. Okay, so basically you're looking out for lower highs and lower lows in a bearish trend, looking out for higher highs and higher lows in a bullish trend. You always want to trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, this structure makes it easier to understand the direction of the market without getting caught up in short-term fluctuations. Next is support and resistance. On the H4 chart, these levels are highly respected. Okay, they align closely with what you'll see on the daily and the weekly time frames, making them strong areas to plan your trades from. Okay, so by marking these zones, the support and resistance zones, you can see we actually have a zone around here. Yeah, I have a zone around here, resistance zone, right? You can see that we have a support zone around here, right? So by marking these zones, you create a trading map. When price approaches these levels, you already know where to look for possible entries and exits. Okay, the entry and exit process on the H4 is straightforward. Once the market approaches a key level, you wait for confirmation. Okay, this could be a candlestick rejection, maybe a breaking structure or momentum shifting in your favor. All right, exits are just as simple. You just have to target the next support or resistance zone. Okay, so let's say, for example, we found this rejection candle here. If you look closely, you're going to see this rejection candle. Look at the lower wick, right? So because of this long lower wick, it's a rejection candle, right? Because the price initially dropped all the way down here and the bulls pushed it up in real time, man. So we are going to find a good bullish opportunity around there, and of course our stop loss is going to be below this support zone, right? And then our take profit should be at a logical level. You want to target resistance zone, okay? You want to target resistance zone for your take profit, okay? So in this case, we'd have considered entering a buy after this rejection candle formed, stop loss below the support zone, take profit around the resistance zone, and we are good to go. So the H4 strategy keeps things clear, logical, and systematic. Okay. Another important benefit of the H4 strategy is time management. All right. Each candle represents 4 hours, which means you don't have to stare at your charts all day. You can check the markets a few times a day, plan your trades calmly, and then let them play out without the stress of lower time frame noise, right? So this not only improves your trading consistency, but also your mindset. Finally, let us talk about how to apply the H4 strategy to your trading routine. Okay, many traders start with the daily or even the weekly time frame to confirm the bigger trend, right? So we can see, obviously, I believe you can also see we are currently in a bullish trend on the weekly time frame. Come down to the daily time frame, you can see that we are legitimately in a bullish trend, right? So when you're on the 4 hour, you should be looking for bullish opportunities. You don't want to trade against the bigger guys time frame, right? You know, the time frame, the higher time frame trend. Okay, let me just put it that way. You know, you don't want to trade against the higher time frame trend. All right. So once you drop down to the 4 hour chart, you plan your entries and refine your execution. This combination of higher time frame context and H4 precision creates a well-rounded approach to trading. Okay. So to recap, the H4 chart gives clear, market structure, right? Support and resistance levels are more reliable. Entries and exits are straightforward with confirmation signals. You can manage your time better without constantly watching the screen, right? Aligning the H4 with higher time frames, builds a consistent trading routine. Okay, so that is the complete breakdown of the H4 trading strategy. If this guide helps you bring more clarity to your trading, especially if you are a swing trader, all right, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future strategies and breakdowns. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.